knowledge and we forget all the things that we want. It can destroy the physical relationship. I am completely disagree with your point.
It's the disadvantages of mobile phones, so you can use in the limits.
Let me cancel your point that it depends on people and not fault of any kind of mobile. Not
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Chetan, and finally today in front of you there is the debate among of the student of first year class, and the topic is advantage of mobile phones and disadvantage of mobile phones. Now we are going to start this debate, so let's do it. Team A, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And team B, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Advantages of mobile phone. It helps us gaining knowledge without any limits.
so yeah, if you tell that it can give us limited knowledge, but it can give us also unlimited knowledge and we forget all the things that we want. It can destroy the physical relationship. I am completely disagree with your point.
It's the disadvantages of mobile phone, so you can use in the limits.
It's depend upon ourselves how we use, but all the people are not same. Some people are use unlimited mobile and they can harm themselves, but some people are used and limited, but that doesn't mean that every people are
Why
same.
people use majority in mobile phones? If they have disadvantage,
I'm also saying that why they use these types of things, why they use the mobile phones. There is a many disadvantage of the mobile phones. It's depend on the people why they use it. Also through the mobile phones it causes isolation, which means that whenever we meet with our cousins, all cousins are addicted with their mobile phones. We do not spend time with one another.
You are arguing about that point that people are spending more and more time on mobiles, and you are declaring this point as a disadvantage of mobile, and you are also cancelling your own point that you are telling that some people are spending more and more time on mobiles and some are spending less time on mobiles, etc. Okay, let me cancel your point that it depends on people and not fault of any kind of mobile. This doesn't matter that which company or which type of mobile you have, but it depends on the people. It is fault of that people who is spending more and more time on mobile. So let me clear one thing that this is not the disadvantage of mobile, but this is the fault of that people who is spending more and more time on mobile. You have to use mobile but in limit, so it doesn't count any kind of disadvantage. It's a completely fault of mobile. In my point of view, like the people are completely addicted to mobile. Like mobile, in mobiles there are many apps that people use, like Snapchat, TT, and etc. And they are addicted to us. They can attract the peoples, and then the people are attracted with mobile. That doesn't.
if you have these kinds of disadvantages, so why you use these kinds of apps?
That is very personal question. That not your. That is a personal thing.
Exactly. This is the
Disadvantage or some advantage. Some advantage are that people can easily attract with.
And it's probable internet device offering access to game, music, video, and ebooks.
We can't spend time with our grandfathers, grandmothers during we use the mobile phones. If our grandparents in Pakistan and we are in the China and in other countries, so why would
if we are, you can tell that we are connected with each other by the cell phone. But in my point of view, we can destroy our physical relationship. Like if they come over our house and we join and we sit together and gossip and do gossips, these kind of things are completely destroyed by this mobile.
that we can't spend time with our grandfathers, grandmothers during we use the mobile phones. If our grandparents in Pakistan and we are in the China and in other countries, how we can attach with
We can destroy our physical relationships. If we are, you can tell that we are connected with each other by the cell phone. But in my point of view, we can destroy our physical relationship. Like if they come over our house and we join and we sit together and gossip and do gossips, these kind of things are completely destroyed by this mobile.
also repeat physical relationships, and he said
For example, a boy is going to their any goal or just on his bike. He communicate with their with his grandparents or parents. Just so his fully totally concentrate go on the mobile phone, not go on its path, not go on its route. So they become injured through the communication through the mobile phones by the accident.
A girl in your group is saying or clearing the point that a boy is going or riding on a bike and he is using mobile, and that is he is in contact with with his parents. Right? You are cancelling with that point that if at the same time the boy is using Google Map. At the same time, if he is using Google Map, then he can get good route or the short route from which he can reach at the destiny to which he want to go.
teenagers are destroying their precious time in social networking sites, dating sites, online games, and other videos which destroy our future through the mobile phones.
We know that the economic state of Pakistan, poor peoples, they have no any kinds of big jobs and salaries. That's why they can use these
They
apps
cannot
and-
able to buy the mobile phones. Then how they use these apps? Then how they earn money through the mobile phones if they cannot able to buy the money?
About that people are poor, they don't have enough money to buy mobile. So let me tell you that if people are poor, so they don't eat money every day, so they don't save money. They collect money and save the money to buy a mobile phone from which they can get everyday money from which they can earn money or make their own business.
Buy mobile and play games and earn money for their families, but some apps are fake, some apps are fraud, and they can leak their personal information and and they can also cause the fake news, like we can see in their recently case.
Let me cancel your point. So that you have tell that some of the personal information that have been hacked by the hackers. So let me cancel your points. You have to you have to set passwords on such kind of personal apps like as TikTok, such as Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, and these apps. If you set password more than 2, then you have security. Your all information will be secure.
Study through the cell phone. We can forget our main target. We can starting new app. Just example, come some friend message. We can do this. We forget our main point. So please, what is your opinion? Tell me.
I am clearly canceling your point. I am saying that all depend upon that person who is using the mobile. This is not, you are not declared that as the disadvantage of mobile. That is the fault of that person who is canceling his or her.
If a replacement of mobile, we can give a historical things. Our
Mobile phone are wasting our social interaction to our family. Exactly.
if our grandparents are not by nears, so we can get information by the video calls.
I'm disagree with your point that for example, if we see the drama or other films, many different films or many different dramas, so mobile attract us to us. It means mobile attract to us, then we see the next drama, repeat it again attract us, then we see the third drama, these types of things. It means just we waste our time through the mobile phones. And the next disadvantage, there is a many disadvantage. It means just we lost our wasting time, and we lost our relationships, and we lost our friendships by the mobile phones. We just waste on our times, or we just waste our time on the mobile phones, and it destroy our future. It destroy our
Bhagwanti, I can say that you again and again repeating this time that mobile phone lost the time. If teachers and if
she's with you because time is very extremely important for all of you.
So give me some time to explain her point of view.
if teachers and students find their questions and some answers from the Google, so they lost their time.
Yes, this is also a matching point. If they are getting knowledge from mobile, because our family members are not with us all the time, but mobile phone is in your pocket, you can get every question on every step of your life.
If we want to ask the many questions, so we can ask many questions from the teachers. In ancient time, there was no any mobile phones. Then we cannot find our answer of our questions. No, there is many other sources. Through these sources, we can find our answer. We can ask the many questions from the other sources. That's not a mobile phone is not a unique source to find our answers. There's a many other source. If we want to gain the knowledge from the mobile phone, so why you come at the college? You can gain knowledge from the mobile phone. Why you can come at college and gain knowledge from the teachers? You should go on the mobile phone. You should gain the knowledge from the teachers. Is not a unique source to gain the knowledge. I know that teachers is a source to gain the knowledge, but through the books, through the newspaper, through many other things, through many other sources, we can gain knowledge.
And it invented to make the life easy. So let me tell you an answer with an example that in ancient time people used stones to make fire, but nowadays people are using cylinders as well as any kind of CNGs and extra and etc. That's all. But why they are not using stone to make fire, to make their life easy? So nowadays people are using mobile phone to make the life easier. You are saying that if you don't have library, if you don't have books, then you use mind. First, you don't use your mind. In the first place, you don't have mind. In the first place, you use books, libraries, etc. Am I right? Or you are cancelling your own point?
No, I am disagreeing with your point. Yes, we first because just teacher give the lecture, then from the lectures we can gain the knowledge, and then first we throw our mind, we can do our homework. If through our mind we cannot do the homework, so then we use the books, then we use the other source. From that source we can do our homework.
I can say that if you are say that children have no any kind of sources, they can do what? So I can say this: teachers give homework, not a mobile work.
Teacher also gives some additional work, not only book work.
So if children can study, they have.
It's not available in books, so answer is available on mind.
Yeah.
So why the answer is available is not in the right mind?
Please do not laughing to each other. So I can say that one thing. Manjula, I can clear your one point. Firstly, you can say that mobile phone can destroy. Mobile phone can make easy our life. Yeah, I give me I can give you.
This is not possible answer.
Getting correct answer.
Repeat your points.
I am not repeating your point. You're repeating your own question. You are repeating your own question twice by twice.
Appropriate answer.
I also give you answer. Nothing is. I also give you answer. Nothing is impossible. Like in your villages, there are also a government school. They have you have on books. If you are cravings of study, you should do all these things. You can should do knowledge with your parents. You should also get your knowledge with your siblings. You can also get your answer with your teachers. And there are many sources except mobile. Mobile is a source, but it is also damage the student's life. Basically, my point is that, and you also disagree with me. I don't know why you also cancelling.
Okay, our parents is educated. Present sentence are and the tenses are the changed. Why? Because the past knowledge and present knowledge have some kind of change. So our parents study these things, and we can study the modern technologies and modern.
We have also modern books. We have also modern newspapers.
So we have also. Sir, do you have no any kind of possible answer for my question?
No, sir, हमने आंसर दे दिया. अगर इनको possible
No,
नहीं
this
लग
is not possible answer.
आप लड़के हो रहे हो, इतना पागल हो गए हो कि हम आपको सिंपली आंसर दे रहे हैं कि दुनिया में से कोई चीज पॉसिबल नहीं है, सो आप हमारे पॉइंट से एग्री क्यों नहीं है?
अभी तो आपने बोला कि नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल, तो ये भी तो इम्पॉसिबल
ये भी
है.
इम्पॉसिबल है कि इम्पॉसिबल पॉसिबल हो सकता है.
ये भी तो इम्पॉसिबल. आपने ये भी तो बोला कि
वो पॉसिबल हो सकता है. यार अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा है, उसका आंसर सामने वाले को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा, तो उस आंसर को मानेंगे भी नहीं.
Sir, हमने तो satisfied को answer दिया. Sir, you are living in a village. You are living in a village, and you have a library in your village.
Yes,
Village library.
really, very, very beautiful and digital library.